We are finally here, our new home.
Emma! A little help, please. These are very heavy.
Sorry, I got excited. Let me take one.
Mary! Look! New neighbors. Who are they?
I do not know. But we need to find out everything.
Emma. I think we are already famous here.
I am going to go and say hello.
Now? Emma! We have so many boxes to move.
She is coming over. Look busy. Look busy.
Be calm, be calm, be calm. We are very busy people. Hello, I am Emma. It is nice to meet you.
Emma! What a lovely name. I am Sofia. Nice to meet you. And I am Mary. We are your neighbors. Welcome to the street.
Thank you. We are so happy to be here.
And who is that handsome young man? Who is that handsome young man over there?
That is Jake. He is my housemate. We share the house.
Just housemates. How interesting.
Yes. Just housemates. Where are you both from?
I am from Italy, but I have lived here for 20 years. And I am from Jamaica. This street is my home for 15 years.
Wonderful. I am from the United Kingdom. Jake is from Canada.
How wonderful. And what is your job? What Sophia means is, we are so happy to meet you, Emma.
Emma has been over there for 10 minutes. This is not good.
We moved here for work. We are very excited to start our new life here.
This is a lovely street. John has a shop at the end. He is very nice.
And the elderly couple in the yellow house are Mr. and Mrs. Bush, very kind people. It sounds like a wonderful place. I think we will love it here.
Emma! The boxes! Remember the boxes?
Hello! You must be Jake. I am Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Nice to meet you too.
He is my housemate. Just my housemate. Just my housemate. We are clear on that, yes?
Of course, dear. We understand completely. Yes, yes, of course. Just housemates.
Oh no, I must go and help. It was so nice to meet you both.
Bye-bye, Emma. Welcome to the neighborhood. Come for tea soon.
Sophia, did you see how she looked at him? Mary, they are not just housemates. I can feel it.
Jake!
I am so sorry. I was talking to the neighbors.
I moved all the boxes. All of them. By myself.
I am sorry. But I made 2 new friends. That is good, yes?
You are impossible, Emma. Tell me everything about them.
Sofia is from Italy. Mary is from Jamaica. They know everything about everyone.
They know everything about everyone. And you told them everything about us?
Just the basics. Where we are from, our names, that we are housemates.
So, by tomorrow morning, the whole street will know our names.
Exactly. That is what it means to have good neighbors, Jake.
You know what, Emma? I think I already like this street.
Me too. But first we need to unpack all of these boxes.
Sophia, we should bring them a welcome gift and ask more questions. Yes, a cake. I will bake a cake. And then we find out everything.
Hey! Did you enjoy today's episode? We hope you did.
If you liked this episode and you want to see episode 2, hit that like button and leave us a comment below.
Share this with your friends and family. Let's learn English together.
Let's learn English together. Subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy. Episode 2 is coming very soon.
See you there. Bye!